Rick here. Well, as you can see, I was getting caught up today at lunch on some of my YouTube guys I follow, and Jonathan W. was showing all his garden area and his tomatoes and stuff, and I was like, oh yeah, mine are doing real good, I need to film them. And I came out here this afternoon, and the deer have been in here and they've eat that one clear down. They ate that one down so far that it pulled it clear up out of the ground. So I'm going to I replanted it, and I'm going to water it good. And they started eating on this one. Now they didn't get these two up here. So, but then this one down here, they ate the top off of it, and it's got tomatoes on it already. So anyway, so I decided that I'm going to put the hog fence up. So that's what I did. I got that thing up, and I don't care if the animal lovers have a problem with it or not, but I want some stuff in my garden. And since the city won't do anything about all these pesky things out here, I'm going to take matters into my own hands. So I hooked my little zapper up there, and I've got my ground in over here now. It's pretty dry. I put that down in the ground only about a foot. That's all I could get it down in there. So I don't know, how that'll do, but we'll see. But anyway, so I'll get you caught up on the rest of the garden area. They haven't bothered any of this. Last year they wouldn't leave these things alone, so they're getting nice and tall now. That one's definitely at least 8 foot tall, so that's good. And of course, it's past time for the rhubarb. And I didn't really harvest it this year because I had kind of spaced it out and separated it up, so I wanted it to root good. So anyway, and then these are the gourds growing along here. That one's finally starting to vine up a little bit. It's funny that I planted them all at the same time, and you can see those are real short, and this one here especially is, and I watered them every day. And then, but this one, that one's starting to vine a little bit. And then these, of course, I wished I could figure out this camera. Sorry about this. Anyway, and then that one's growing, and this one's starting to vine pretty good. There's my helpers. Are you guys are probably hungry, ain't you? But now this one has really taken off. And I don't know what I did any different. You watched me plant all these, so anyway, who knows? But that one's really going to town. And then our loofah sponges out here, it looks like they're beginning to vine a little bit here, but boy, not like I thought they would by this time of the year already. There's one there. That one's trying to grow on the ground. Let's see if we can get him up here on this. So, anyway, that's kind of the update on the garden. Oh, the hops. Let's do the hops. So you can see not much movement on that one. About the same. This one's growing pretty good, and it's spreading out roots because there's one coming up way away from where I planted it. So it's putting out some roots in the ground. So that's pretty good. But I would say this one's probably 6 foot tall. So I don't think it's ever going to get to the top. But we'll see. It's June 6th, or July 6th, I mean. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update on the plants and my attack on the pesky deer. So we'll see if we can deter them a little bit. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Even if you don't want to subscribe to the channel, just hit the like button. You can do that on your phone. It's right there. Just hit it. Or if you don't like it, hit the don't like button. I don't care. But show some activity with it. Let me know you're watching. Otherwise, I don't know if you're watching them or not. So anyway, I think these helpers here are getting hungry. So anyway, talk to you more. Bye.